Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. It's your boy Crossed1x and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google. Now you're gonna have to open Google Chrome. That's the best browser to use in my opinion, and you want to just search anything here. So first we're gonna be searching how to fly. There you go. Now you can always look at all these search results from Google. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below happy, and I'll leave a like on your comment. And you can subscribe as well. As I said, I might say thank you. Have a great day.